Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SING. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price movement broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. Meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 0.034. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0.034, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay, up above that area, then that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support to keep an eye on would be that the pink line right here, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. And I'm not going to give the value there because that is a moving average, so that's going to change with time. But short-term wise, like I said, 0.034 and then the 200 period. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon on things, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50 period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the strength of the move. This right here being defined as quote unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. How are you going to best visualize that? No questions asked. Again, yeah, ideally, you'd want to see the price stay above 0.034, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, they seem to have quite a bit of a little hangout right up here at 0.037. You can see several times today the price tried to get up through that level and couldn't quite do it. It did actually get up there during the final 30 minutes, but could not maintain and stay above 0.037. So therefore, that is still the near-term level of resistance. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.